So, good evening to all. So, in the last class, we have seen the formulas for the multiple and submultiple angles, and also we have seen the results of the multiple and submultiple angles. So, these formulas and the results are very important. If you know all these formulas thoroughly, you will feel that the entire calculus part of the mathematics is very easy. Just fine. Everyone compulsory should go through all the formulas thoroughly without having any confusion in any formulae. Okay. So that's why let me to revise all those formulas once again. So in that, first you tell me what is the formula for sine 2a. What is the formula for sine 2a?
2 cos A.
Sine 2 sine into
2
cos.
sin A cos A.
Sine a cos a. And what is the formula in terms of the tan?
2 tan a
2
by
tan
1
A
plus
by
tan
1
square a.
plus tan square A.
2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So this is the first formula. So here this formula we have to observe that while applying this formula on the LHS side the angle is 2a, that RHS side the angle become a. Means whatever the angle is there here we made it as an half. Means for applying this formula anywhere, whatever the angle is there, make that angle as an half. Then we'll get the corresponding formula for that. So always you may not get that 2a. In the place of that 2a, we may get any angle. Whatever maybe the angle is there, make it as an half. Then this formula we can apply. Okay. Similarly, what is the formula for sine a? Sine a, how do you write it?
2 sin A by
2
2
sine a by 2 into cos a by 2.
2 sine a by 2 into cos a by 2. That is also equivalent to
2 tan a by 2 by
tan
1 plus
a by
tan
2
square a
upon
by 2.
1 plus tan square a
tan
by
square
2.
A by 2.
Like that, you can write the formula, right? Similarly, tell me how do you write the formula for sine a by 2? Sine a by 2 क्या लिख सकता?
Sin A by
2 sine,
2 sin
whatever the angle is there here,
a by
as per that
4.
formula, we have to make that angle as an half. A by 2 का half?
A by 4.
A by 4
A by
cos a by 4. Similarly, it is 2 tan a by 4 upon 1 plus tan square a by 4.
a by 4.
Like that, we can apply the formula. Here, don't look at the angle here. Whatever the angle is there here on the LHS side, make that angle as an half while applying this formula. Okay, like that, we can apply the formula for sine, not only for the sine 2a, for any formula, you have to consider like that. Similarly, tell me what are the formulas for the cos 2a?
cos square A minus sin
Square a
square
minus sin square a.
What? Cos square a minus sin square a. This is the first formula in terms of the cos and sine. And what is the formula in terms of the cos only?
2 cos square A
2
minus
cos
1.
square a minus 1.
2 cos square a minus 1. What is the formula in terms of the sine only?
1 minus sin
Minus 2
square A.
sin
Plus 2 sin square A.
Sin square a. What is the formula in terms of the tan only?
1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A.
upon 1 plus
Minus
tan
tan
square
Square A
a.
by 1 plus tan
upon
square A.
1 plus tan square a. So similarly, we can also write the formula for the cos a. To write the cos a here, this angle you have to make it as an half. That is a by 2 लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay. So like that, you can write the formula for the cos a. Okay. Similarly, what is the formula for 1 plus cos 2a?
2 cos square
2
A.
cos square a.
Cos square a. And what is the formula for 1 minus cos 2a?
2 sin
2
square
sin
A.
square a.
2 sine square a. Here also these are because very important formulas, because most of the cases we are going to use this formula. Whenever there is a plus sign, we have to write the cos square. If there is a minus sign, we have to write the sine square. All these formulas we have to remember from the both the directions. So sometimes 2 cos square a may be there. We can replace the 2 cos square a by 1 plus cos 2a. So 2 sin square A you can replace by 1 minus cos 2A. Like that you can replace it. That's why all these formulas we have to read from both the directions. Not only from LHS to the RHS side, RHS side to the LHS side also we have to read it. Okay. Then similarly, how do you write 1 plus cos A?
2 cos square A
Square
by
A
2.
by 2.
2 cos square A by 2. How do you write 1 minus cos A?
2 sin square A by 2.
2
A
sin
by 2.
square A by 2.
2 sin square A by 2. Okay. Like that you can write. So similarly, how do you write 1 plus cos 3 theta? 1 plus cos 3 theta कैसे लिख सकता?
2
Because here also whatever the angle is there here,
2 cos square theta by 2.
3 theta by 2. Here if this is the 2A, here the angle is A. If whatever the angle is there here, we have to make that angle as an half while applying this formula. So 1 plus cos 3 theta, we can write 2 cos square 3 theta by 2. Like that we can apply that formula. Okay, whatever the angle is there here, not only the 2A always, whatever may be the angle is there, while applying this formula, make that angle as an half, 3 theta by 2. Okay, like that all these formulas we can apply it. Okay. Similarly, so what is the formula for tan 2A?
2 tan A
2
by 1
tan A by 1 minus
A.
tan square A.
2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So this is the formula for tan 2A. Okay. So these are the formulas for angle 2A. So similarly, we will have the formula for 3A also. What is the formula for sin 3A?
3 sin A minus 4
3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Then what is the formula for cos 3A?
4 cos cube
4
A
cos
minus
cube
3
A
cos A.
minus 3 cos A.
4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula for cos 3A. Then the formula for tan 3A.
3 tan A
3
minus
tan A minus tan cube A.
Tan cube A upon 1 minus A
tan
cube A.
tan square A.
1 minus 3 tan square A. So this is also the important formulas. So these are the formulas for angle 3A. Okay. Okay. Then these are the formulas that we have in this topic. So after knowing these formulas, here we have to remember some results also. That result also we have to remember as a formula. Then we have to, if you know this result, then the simplification of the problem will be easy. If you don't know the result, we have to do the long steps. That's why for the objective point of view particularly, we can save the time if you know the result, if you remember the most of the results. Okay? Through the results, directly you can able to solve the problems. So in that, already you have seen the values for the different angle. What is the value for sine 18 degree?
Root 5 minus 1 by 4.
Root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is also equivalent to
cos 72 degree.
Cos 72 degree.
72. Then what is the value of sine 36 degree?
Root 10 minus
Under root
2
10 minus 2 root 5 by 4.
Under root 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. This is also equivalent to
cos 54 degree.
Cos 54 degree.
54 degree. Then what is the value of cos 18 degree?
Root 10 minus 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4.
Under root 10 plus 2 root 5.
This is also equivalent to
Sin 72 degree.
Sin 72 degree.
Similarly, what is the value of cos 36 degree?
Root 5 plus 1 by 4.
Root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is also equivalent to sin
54 degree.
54 degree.
Okay. So you should remember the values for all these angles also. Then okay, these are the values. Apart from that, I also was given some result to you in that. The first result is that secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta. Tell me how do you write that?
tan
theta by 2.
in the bracket pi 4
Pi
pi
by
by
4
4
minus
minus
theta
theta
by
by 2.
Good. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. That is the secant theta minus tan theta. Then how do you write secant theta plus tan theta?
Tan theta in the
pi by 4
bracket
plus
pi
theta
by
by
4 plus theta by 2.
Tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. That is the
Yes.
result. Similarly, what is the value of cosecant theta minus cot theta?
Tan theta by 2.
Tan theta by 2. Then what is the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta?
Cot theta by 2.
Cot theta by 2. So these 4 results I was given. And apart from that, there is a 2 more results are there that also we have to remember it. That is cot theta plus tan theta. I want to find the result of that. Cot theta plus tan theta. To find its the result, this cot theta, we can write cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta, we can write, sorry, tan theta, we can write sin theta by cos theta. What is the LCM here?
Sin theta into cos theta.
Sin theta into cos theta. Then can numerator me? Cos theta into cos
Sin
theta.
theta plus cos square theta.
Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then multiply and divided by 2 here. 2 से multiply and divide करो. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So the numerator becomes 2 by here 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the formula for it? 2 sin theta cos theta.
Sin 2a.
Sin 2a. That is sin 2 theta.
Theta.
So this becomes sin 2 theta. So 1 by sin, that becomes cosecant. That's why this is equivalent to 2 cosecant 2 theta. So that is the result you have to remember. Cot theta plus tan theta value is equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta. That result we have to remember. Cot theta plus tan theta. Similarly, cot theta minus tan theta is what? Cot theta minus tan theta means if there is a minus sign in between, then here we will get the minus sign. Now the numerator we are getting that cos square theta minus sin square theta. What is the formula for cos square theta minus sin square theta?
Cos 2a.
Cos 2a. That is
Cos
cos
2a.
2 theta we will get in the numerator and there will be 2 by the denominator is sin 2 theta. Now it is 2 times cos by sin. Cos by sin?
Cot.
Cot. That is 2 cot 2 theta. This is the another result. Therefore, cot theta plus tan theta is 2 cosecant 2 theta. Cot theta minus tan theta is 2 cot 2 theta. So remember that result. Right on the.
सर 12th का पोर्शन भी ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए ही लेता क्या?
क्या?
12th का पोर्शन सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए पढ़ाया जाता है क्या?
नहीं दोनों भी होता है. When we started the 12th, first we complete the board level, then on the same topic take the objective. And one more announcement is that from the Monday onwards, we are going to start the offline classes also because we got the permission from the collector. So we will start the offline classes from the Monday onwards. So about the schedule and the timings, you will be intimated from the institute. And there is some instructions will be there. Means compulsorily everyone has to bring the sanitizer. Compulsorily should come with the mask, and compulsory should bring with the water bottle with you. And we will have the classes alternative day. That the batches also we will announce. Okay. Okay.
Sir, what about online classes?
No, online will not be there, but whatever the classes we are taking in the institute, that classes video we will get it every day.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we'll see some more the results also here. What is the result number? कितना result हो गए कल?
10.
8 है क्या? 8 or
10.
2?
10.
Okay. Let's look at the next result. That is, to write this first, listen it. Sin theta into sin 60 degree plus theta into sin 60 degree minus theta. Sin theta into sin 60 degree plus theta into sin 60 degree minus theta. I want to find the product of this. To find its the product, this is sin theta into. Now, if you observe these two terms, this is in the format of sin A plus B into sin A minus B. The previous topic we have seen the formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B. What is the formula for it? Sin A plus B into sin A minus B का formula क्या है? Okay.
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
No. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. इसका रिजल्ट दिया था मैंने.
Sin square A minus sin square B.
A minus sin square.
A minus sin
Square
square
A
B.
minus sin square B. So sin square A, where A is 60 degree, minus sin square B. B means theta. Like that, this product we can write it. Then, which is sin theta into, what is the value of sin 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. There is a square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. How much? 3 by
3 by 4.
minus sin square theta. Here, what is the LCM?
4.
4. So the numerator will get 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 3 minus 4 sin square theta multiplied by sin theta, then which is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 4. This is what we are getting in the numerator. Now tell me, what is the formula for 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Sin 3 theta. Good. It is sin 3 theta by 4. So therefore, this is the result we have to remember. If any problem is in this format, sin theta into sin 60 degree plus theta into sin 60 degree minus theta, which is sin 3 theta by 4. Okay. So that is the result we have to remember. But here, not only the 60 degree, but in the place of the 60, we also may have the 120 degree. We also may have the 240 degree. Also may have the 300 degrees. For all these angles, we have the same result. That's why, so this result will write like this. Sin theta into sin alpha plus theta into sin alpha minus theta is equal to sin 3 theta by 4. Sin 3 theta by 4. Similarly, cos theta into cos alpha plus theta into cos alpha minus theta value becomes cos 3 theta by 4. Cos 3 theta by 4. Similar way, we can also prove that. And tan theta into tan of alpha plus theta into tan of alpha minus theta value become tan 3 theta. Because if you divide these two, then sin by cos will get the tan. So if you divide on the RHS side, then sin 3 theta by cos will become tan 3 theta. So this is the result where this is true for the angles alpha is equal to 60 degree or 120 degree or 240 degree or 300 degrees. So for all these angles of the alpha, this result will be true. Okay. So that result we have to remember it. So take that result. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the formulas and the concepts and the results that we have in this topic. So based on all these formulas and the concept, we will solve some problems. So all of you open your material. So all of you open your material. In that, open the page number 14, 14, इसमें 27th प्रॉब्लम देखो एक बार. 27th प्रॉब्लम. Observe that cos 2 theta is not equal to. Cos 2 theta is not equal to. So what is answer? Third option. Because remaining three are the formulas for the cos 2 theta, but the third option is not the formula for it. So C option is correct. Then look at the 28th problem. Sin 4 theta can be written as. How do you write the sin 4 theta? So which of the following options are correct? So just observe that. Twenty-eighth problem. You have to write sin 4 theta, that is equal to. So how can you express this sin 4 theta? To express this, so here we will apply the formula of sin 2a. The sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a is the formula for sin 2a, right? Yes, while applying that formula, whatever the angle is there, we have to make it as a half. So by using that formula, tell me how do you write the sin 4 theta? 2 sin, here 4 theta is there, make that angle as a half. Sin 4 theta means 2 theta into cos 2 theta, we can write it. So sin 4 theta, we can write 2 into sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Again, 2 into, tell me how to write the sin 2 theta again?
2 sin
2
theta
sin a cos a.
2
Sin theta cos theta, we can write it into, again cos 2 theta. There is a cos 2 theta, we will write the formula in terms of the sine. What is the formula for the cos 2 theta in terms of the sine? 1 minus
1 minus
One
sin
minus
square theta.
sin
sin
square
square
theta. So
2
therefore,
sin
this
square
is you
theta.
can write like that. 2 into 2, 4 sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta into, there is a cos theta, because if you want to express every term in terms of the sine, cos theta from the first topic of the trigonometry, we can write under root 1 minus sin square theta. Root 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. To apply the square, that becomes cos theta. So cos theta you can write like that. So sin 4 theta we can express as like that. 4 sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta into under root 1 minus sin square theta. Like that you can express it. Like option.
Yes, sir.
Option देखो. That is first option is there. So like that you can express it. Completed. Next, look at the next problem. Look at the 29th problem. Observe that. Since it is given that tan theta is equal to 2, what is the value of tan 2 theta plus secant 2 theta? So we have to find the value of tan 2 theta plus secant 2 theta if tan theta is equal to t. Just observe here. So to find that, where tan theta value we know it, so that's why we will write the formula for these two in terms of the tan. Tell me what is the formula for the tan 2 theta?
2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta.
2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta plus, what is the formula for secant 2 theta? We know that cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the cos 2 theta. Secant means which is the reciprocal of the cos. That's why take the reciprocal of the formula, then what we are getting?
1 plus tan square theta.
Tan square theta
Minus-
upon 1 minus
1
tan
minus
square.
tan square theta.
Then here what is LCM?
1 minus tan square
Tan
theta.
square theta. Now if you observe the numerator, 2 tan theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. Means it is tan square theta plus 2 tan theta plus 1 square, you can write it. So it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Means the numerator we can write as 1 plus tan theta whole square. That is a plus b whole square expansion format is there in the numerator. So that is great, 1 plus tan theta whole square, and the denominator is 1 square minus tan square theta, that is a square minus b square. So it is 1 plus tan theta whole square upon a square minus b square. You can write a minus b into a plus b. Like that you can write it. A minus b into a plus b. So here 1 plus tan theta is getting cancelled. Therefore the answer is 1 plus tan theta, where tan theta value was given t upon 1 minus t is the answer. 1 plus t by 1 minus t. Is that? Completed? Next, look at the next problem. So observe this problem number 30. Cos A plus sin A is 1. Then what is the value of the sin 2A? Okay. Just observe this 30 problem. Here it is given that cos A plus sin A is equal to 1. Then we have to find the value of the sin 2A. So if you want to find its value, what we will do is square this equation on both the sides. Squaring it on both the sides. If we squaring it, then it is cos A plus sin A whole square. If you expand that, A plus B whole square means that is A square, that is cos square A plus B square means sin square A plus 2AB, that is 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1 square means that is 1. Okay, if you squaring it and if you expand it, this is what we are getting. Then cos square A plus sin square is what? 1.
1.
Plus, how do you write the 2 sin A cos A?
Sin
2
2a.
sin A.
Sin 2A, not 2 sin.
Sin 2A.
Sin 2A is equal to 1. Now on both the side, 1 gets cancelled. 1 and 1 is getting cancelled. So therefore, sin 2A is equal to 0. This is the value of the sin 2A, right? So whenever if they are given cos A plus sin A or sin A plus cos A, we want to find the sin 2A. This is the procedure we have to follow. Take that. Okay. Let's look at the next problem. Let's observe this problem number 31st. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखो अंडर रूट 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 2 प्लस 2 cos 4 theta. So you have to find this. Just observe here. To simplify this, there is a square roots are there 2. You have to eliminate them. 2 plus under root. Here 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is there. From these two terms, we will take the 2 common. Take the 2 common, then this becomes 1 plus cos 4 theta. This is what we are getting, right? Now, to simplify this 1 plus cos 4 theta, whenever you find 1 plus or 1 minus, immediately recollect the formula for 1 plus cos 2a. What is the formula for 1 plus cos 2a?
2 cos square a.
2 cos square a, right? For applying this formula, whatever the angle is there here, make that angle as an half. Whatever may be the angle, make that angle as an half. So by using that formula, tell me, how do you write 1 plus cos 4 theta?
4 cos square.
1 plus cos 4 theta. Don't consider about the condition, this constant. Constant will be as it is. Only we have to change the angle. So here, whatever the angle is there, make that angle as an half. So by using that, how do you write it? 2 cos square 4 theta is there. 4 theta ka half 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 4 theta we can write as an 2 cos square 2 theta. Whatever the angle is there, make that angle as an half for applying that formula. Okay. Don't consider about the constant. Constant will be as it is at the outside. Then this is root over 2 plus. Again, if you consider here 2 into 2, 4. Root 4 value is 2 into root cos square 2 theta is cos 2 theta. Means this value become 2 cos 2 theta. Again, means we have eliminated one square root successfully. Now, again from these two, I can take the 2 common. So take the 2 common, the remaining is 1 plus cos 2 theta again. Then this is root over 2 into, tell me how do you write 1 plus cos 2 theta again? 1 plus cos 2 theta कैसे लिख सकता?
2 cos square a.
2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. Whatever the angle is there here, make it as a half. 2 cos square theta. Again, 2 into 2, that is a 4. Root 4 means 2. Root cos square means that is the cos theta. So the answer is 2 cos theta. Like that.